the feeling that this is bad. But in this is me as I about it. So, we're going to be talking today. So what should we talk about? My favorite color is green. Can I like green? I mean, my favorite. That's Asian, that might be. Yeah, and I can't like stick. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to talk like this. But, do not know it. This is my voice. I talk like this. I like to make her laugh, everybody. I make people laugh with those smiles. I hope you like it. Bye. Bye.